Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make French silk pie. So let's get started. You'll need to make a pie crust. I'll link you to the video on how to make this in the description box, but there's one thing you need to do differently. Once you bake the crust the second time without the beans, bake it for 15 minutes instead of 12. Then after 15 minutes, remove it from the oven and set it aside to cool. Then to make the filling, in a small saucepan, add in the eggs and sugar and place it onto the stove over a medium heat. Stir the mixture until it's combined. Add a candy thermometer and heat the mixture until it gets up to 160 degrees, stirring it occasionally. Then once it's up to temperature, remove it from the heat. Add in the unsweetened chocolate and vanilla extract, and mix them together until the chocolate is melted. And then leave it to cool completely. Then in a medium bowl, add in the softened butter and beat it with an electric mixer on high speed for about a minute until it becomes lighter in color. Then pour in the cooled chocolate mixture and beat the mixture on high speed for 5 minutes. Then in a separate small bowl, add in the heavy cream and powdered sugar and whip it with an electric mixer until it forms stiff peaks. Then add it to the rest of the chocolate mixture and fold it in until it's combined. Then pour it into the cooled pie crust. Level out the top. Wrap it in plastic wrap and refrigerate it for at least 6 hours. Then whip up more heavy cream and powdered sugar and pipe it on top of the pie. Then grate some more of the unsweetened chocolate and sprinkle it on top of the pie. And that's how to make French silk pie. Check out my channel for more amazing recipes and be sure to subscribe and click the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my videos. I hope you enjoyed this recipe and this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.